look how quick this changes. Look. I'm sorry. Sometimes I like laughing at myself. Welcome back again to another video. Je m'appelle Afi Elizabeth. My name is Afi Elizabeth, and soyez les bienvenus sur ma chaîne. I started to do my eyebrows first, so that's what we did. And then we gonna go ghetto. I couldn't find my little spoolie, so I said, hey, let the people judge, shall we? Yes. So we went in with the toothbrush that I do my edges with, and it did the job. It did the job. Hein? For mon sourcil, je vais aussi mettre mon concealer. So I'm going to go in, I'm going to clean that all up. Clean that all up, if that's even a proper way of saying it. Clean all that up. Clean it up. Clean the mess. Clean. Make it swoop. Okay? I'm going to go in, I'm going to use the Milani concealer. So after I clean it up, oh my gosh. I'm still living a cold right now, so if I sound like Jamal still, my apologies. So after I did all that, I'm going to move on with my foundation. This foundation that we used, this was a simple. That means, that's not the name of the foundation. That means I got it simple. I can't remember the name of the foundation. So sis, thank God, because this foundation was not it. It was not it, sis. Looked like not it. That's what I look like. So we're not going to speak of this foundation, but I am going to say that I found out that this foundation wasn't really it for me, but off camera, it looks really good off camera. Like my sister-in-law said, it looked really good off camera. So I guess it was it, just not it in camera, on camera. So we went in, and instead of taking the foundation off, my dumb self decided to add on to a foundation that wasn't the foundation. So I mixed that up with my Maybelline Fit Me Matte Foundation, which came out to be Not It 2.0. Like, it was just bad. But off camera, when I took pictures, off camera without the lighting, the foundation was actually cute. I don't know if it's because it was the Maybelline, but Not It 2.0 was okay, you know? But yeah, that's what I did. I blend everything in with my bluffer brush by Real Technique, and it melted everything together. So with my concealer, I'm going to conceal using my Milani concealer, the same concealer that I used on my eyebrows. I'm gonna do the same. This is me being lazy. I didn't want to get up to wet my beauty blender. So I was like, we gonna make it happen. We're just gonna use these brushes, and if it come out cute, we gonna upload. If it don't come out cute, sis, we ain't uploading nothing. So thankfully it came out cute. I used my Real Technique buffer brush, and I mixed and cooked everything together. So I reapplied my concealer just to give it that oomph, you know. I didn't want to look like an My setting, I went in with my Airspun setting translucent powder, and I set everything. I don't let this baking powder, translucent powder sit, because it comes out really cakey when it does sit, so I don't bake. And I do set my face after I do my translucent powder. I was sounding a little bit too deep. I had to clear my throat. But yeah, so my eyes, I decided to go in with the e.l.f. blush. So that's what we did as a transition color. I think that's what it is. Transition color. I decided to use that e.l.f. blush. It's kind of like orange, pink, peach type of blush. It looks pink, which it is. I guess it is. It is pink. So we try that color as a transition color, and we dragged the top. Blending matters. 2020 blending matters. So we blended for a good minute and blend everything together. So I'm gonna go in with my BH Cosmetic matte palette, and we're gonna use that pink that I showed you guys, and I'm gonna use that same brush from Morphe, and we're just gonna apply the pink on top of the transition color just to make it pop and to make it look good, period. You feel me? Kidoku all 2020. So that's what we did. We're just gonna keep on blending, sis. Umasi Kidoku, what you mean? So right here, I was like, sis, your face look round. Why does it look like you look round? I was like, oh, I forgot to contour. So I'm going to go in with my contour palette. I'm going to use the powder palette by Black Radiance. And I'm going to contour the face to give myself that nice New Year's resolution. Have you lost 20 pounds? No, sis, I contour, but thank you for the compliment. That's what we're going to do. We're going to contour all over the eyes. No, all over the face, the cheekbone and everything. So with the eyes, I used my actual lashes today. So we're going to be using the natural lashes, and I'm going to be using my Big Shot Mascara by Maybelline, and we're going to apply the natural mascara on the natural lashes. I don't know if mascaras are natural, but natural lashes 2020 every once in a while. That's gold. But yeah, this is just me applying the mascara. Top, bottom, top, bottom. Remember, top and bottom must be applied. 2020. Get better, sis. For the lips, the same brow pencil that I use that I bought from the beauty supply store. I'm going to use it to line up my lips. It's kind of like a dark brown, which was kind of disgusting, but I used my hands to blend everything together so it won't look harsh. That's what I did. And then I'm going to go in with a NYX, and it was actually NYX, NYX nude color. This was kind of like a nude creamy. I didn't like this color, which is why in my on my Instagram picture, I reapplied a pink lipstick. So yeah, so I changed the lipstick after the video was over. But moving on to the blush, I'm going to be using my Zulu palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm just going to use that color that I showed you guys to give myself a, you look cute. And for my blush, I apply my blush at the top part of my cheek and not the bottom, just because it looks a lot better for me. So yeah, sis, 2020, you do you and I'ma do me. I'ma set my face and we about to go out the door. That didn't rhyme, but give me time. Oh, that rhymed. Anyway, I'm gonna fix my hair and we about to head out. You know, I'ma be out. I'ma head out. Time for me to get off here. This is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for new subscribers, and I will see you guys in my next video.